guys, ito ay magluluto tayo ng pork chop. May cooking pork chop today. Nilagyan ko to ng spice, yung flour, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. So, coated natin ng ganito para hindi didikit sa kawali. Just coated with flour on top so that not stick in the frying pan when you fry. So, just like this, simple. So, and then we can fry now. Just 2 pork chop only. It's big. Yan, ipiprito na natin. Okay. Yan. Dalawang pork chop lang. Malaki naman eh. Yan siya. Ano lang, mahina yung apoy. Low cooking. Yan siya. Yan siya. Malapit na. Maluto na.
Yummy. It's cooked already.
Meron
carrots.
So we have boiled carrots and broccoli. So that's it.
Eating now. Look at this.
Kain na tayo. Hinog na siya. Now we slice the cantaloupe. Oh. See? It's good cantaloupe. Ano na tayo? Yummy. Ganyan naman siya. Natin dyan. Sweet.